Hey everybody, Dr. Mike here and welcome back to Holistic Health Haven. Today we're exploring the health wonders of fennel, a fragrant herb that's as beneficial as it is flavorful. You know me, I love showing you how to incorporate simple, natural solutions into your daily routine for maximum health benefits. Fennel is a perfect example. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine and for good reason. Let's dive into its amazing properties and uses, and I'll give you some practical tips on how to make it a part of your life. First things first, let's talk about why fennel is so good for you. This herb is packed with nutrients like fiber, which is crucial for healthy digestion and keeping you regular. It's also a great source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts your immune system and protects your cells from damage. And don't forget about potassium. This essential mineral helps regulate blood pressure and keeps those electrolytes in check, especially important after a workout or on a hot day. But one of the things that makes fennel really special is its high concentration of antioxidants. These compounds fight off harmful free radicals in your body, which can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. And when it comes to antioxidants, fennel brings its A game. It's loaded with compounds like anethyl, which not only gives fennel its distinct licorice-like flavor and aroma, but also boasts some impressive health benefits. We'll dive deeper into those in just a bit. Now let's talk about digestion, because fennel has been used for centuries to ease tummy troubles. And trust me, I've seen firsthand in my practice how common digestive issues are these days. Fennel seeds, in particular, are a traditional remedy for indigestion, bloating, and heartburn. They work by relaxing the muscles in your digestive tract, which helps to relieve spasms and cramping. Think of it like this: fennel seeds are like a gentle massage for your gut, helping things move along smoothly. They can also help reduce gas and bloating, making you feel lighter and more comfortable after meals. So if you're prone to digestive discomfort, fennel might just be your new best friend. Keep some fennel seeds on hand and try chewing on a teaspoon after meals. You can also brew a soothing cup of fennel tea. Simply steep a teaspoon of fennel seeds in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Next up, let's talk about hormones. Hormonal imbalances are incredibly common, especially for women going through menopause. But here's the good news: fennel can help. Fennel contains compounds called phytoestrogens, which are plant compounds that can mimic the effects of estrogen in the body. Now, don't let the word estrogen scare you. Phytoestrogens are much weaker than the estrogen your body produces, but they can still have a balancing effect, especially when your hormones are in flux. For women experiencing menopausal symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings, fennel can offer a natural way to find relief. It's not a magic bullet, but incorporating fennel into your diet can be a gentle and supportive approach to managing those hormonal ups and downs. Inflammation. It's a word we hear a lot these days, and for good reason. Chronic inflammation is linked to a whole host of health problems, from heart disease to arthritis. But here's where fennel comes in again with its anti-inflammatory superpowers. Remember those antioxidants we talked about earlier? They play a key role in fighting inflammation throughout the body. Fennel is particularly rich in a compound called anethyl, which has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. What does this mean for you? Well, incorporating fennel into your diet can help reduce inflammation, which can benefit everything from your joints to your skin. So if you're dealing with inflammatory conditions like arthritis or skin issues like eczema, fennel might be a helpful addition to your diet. Let's talk about heart health for a minute. We all want to keep our tickers ticking strong, right? Well, fennel can lend a helping hand in that department too. Remember how we talked about fennel being a good source of potassium? Potassium is a key mineral for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. It acts as a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps relax blood vessels, which in turn lowers blood pressure. But that's not all. Fennel is also a good source of fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels. Fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract, preventing it from being absorbed into the bloodstream. This is great news for your heart, because high cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease. We rely on our eyes every day, so it's important to take care of them, and you guessed it, fennel can play a role in maintaining good eye health too. Fennel is a good source of vitamin C, which is an important antioxidant for eye health. Vitamin C helps protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. But it's not just vitamin C that makes fennel good for your peepers. Fennel also contains other nutrients that are beneficial for eye health, such as vitamin A and various minerals. So by incorporating fennel into your diet, you can give your eyes some extra love and support. Now let's talk about some delicious and easy ways to incorporate fennel into your diet. One of my favorite ways is by brewing a cup of soothing fennel tea. It's super simple to make. Just take a teaspoon of fennel seeds and steep them in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. You can enjoy it plain or add a bit of honey or lemon for sweetness. Fennel tea is not only delicious, but also incredibly soothing for your digestive system. It can help relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion. Plus, it's a warm and comforting drink to enjoy before bed. Fennel isn't just for tea, though. You can use both the bulb and the seeds in a variety of dishes. The bulb has a slightly sweet, anise-like flavor and can be eaten raw or cooked. Try slicing it thinly and adding it to salads for a refreshing crunch. You can also roast it with other root vegetables like carrots and potatoes for a flavorful side dish. Fennel seeds, on the other hand, have a more concentrated flavor and are often used in spice blends. They add a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor to curries, stews, and even baked goods. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what you like best. Here's a simple yet effective tip. Keep a small container of fennel seeds in your bag or pocket. Why? Because fennel seeds can act as a natural breath freshener and digestive aid. After a meal, simply chew on a teaspoon of fennel seeds. The act of chewing stimulates digestion, while the fennel itself helps to relieve bloating and freshen breath. It's a discreet and convenient way to support your digestion on the go. Plus, it's a much healthier alternative to chewing gum or breath mints, which are often loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients. Let's talk about detox. Now, I'm not talking about those fad cleanses or restrictive diets. I'm talking about supporting your body's natural detoxification processes. And guess what? Fennel can lend a helping hand here too. One simple way to incorporate fennel into your routine is by making fennel-infused water. Simply add a tablespoon of fennel seeds to a pitcher of water and let it sit overnight. In the morning, you'll have a refreshing and flavorful drink that can help flush out toxins and support your liver's natural detoxification processes. You can drink it throughout the day or enjoy it first thing in the morning for a hydrating and detoxifying boost. So there you have it, fennel, a true wonder herb with a wide range of health benefits. From soothing digestion to balancing hormones and fighting inflammation, fennel is a versatile and delicious addition to any diet. Fennel is indeed a super herb for digestive balance and hormonal balance. Get it in your diet and feel it for yourself. I encourage you to try incorporating fennel into your daily routine and experience its amazing benefits firsthand. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Holistic Health Haven for more natural health tips.